Most people think they get high cholesterol because of eating fatty foods. That's not the whole picture. Basically, it's not the fat, it's the type of fat which is actually very important, because it's a saturated fat which influences cholesterol. A lot of people also think that cholesterol in foods itself boosts cholesterol. That's not quite the case. In the majority of cases, cholesterol-rich foods like eggs and shellfish and offal actually have very little role to play in the cholesterol in the blood. So we need to look at the overall picture of eating plenty of oats, of eating the pulses, beans, of the oily fish, the plant stenols and sterols and the nuts, which would all together help in lowering cholesterol. Red Laces is a campaign which is being run by H.E.A.R.T UK to encourage youngsters and families to be more active, to promote exercise in terms of helping young people and families who have the inherited cholesterol scenario. There is a particular focus on families because familial hypercholesterolemia is a genetic disorder which can affect 1 in 500 of the population. So if a parent is carrying the gene, then there's a chance that their child has 50-50 chance of also being affected. And obviously inherited high cholesterol can affect young people, and hence the focus on families. If you have inherited high cholesterol, it is very important you continue taking the medication as prescribed, but as well as that, to make sure you're leading a healthy lifestyle, doing plenty of exercise and eating the right diet. If you smoke, you need to stop smoking. If you're diabetic, you need to keep it under good control. If there's blood pressure, that needs to be regularly monitored as well. Exercise is vital in helping maintain a good heart, because exercise plays multiple roles. One thing, it helps lower blood pressure. Secondly, it boosts the HDL, which is the good cholesterol, and lowers the LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol. It maintains good blood sugar control for those who are diabetics, and it also reduces the risk of developing type 2, the non-insulin dependent diabetics. It also helps maintain weight and lowers our percentage body fat, and most important as well is to help relieve tension and stress. For young people to keep healthy, my recommendation would be to be as active as possible, keep away from the fast foods and saturated fat, and stop smoking.